Hi, everybody. Welcome to week three. I think everybody at this point has really kind of narrowed in on what their topic is going to be and the type of project they're going to be doing. I would say that this is probably the last week you'll be able to kind of switch projects. So if you're thinking about it, reach out to me so we can have a conversation and get you on track with whichever direction you'd like to head. Um, what we'll be doing is each group has a video to watch on their section. So make sure you watch your video, and then there'll be an assignment specific to the research group, the critically appraised topic group, and the evidence-based practice group. So they'll all be slightly different this week, but everybody has something to do. On top of that, we also have a journal entry this week. And essentially, what that is towards the end of the week, I just want you to reflect on the process so far. How are things going? Has it gone smoothly? Are you feeling uncertain? Are there things that you've learned or you're excited for? It's just really a reflective process and kind of summarizing everything you've done up until this point. I'll provide you some additional instructions on the actual journal tab, but it's really a chance for you to communicate with me and give me an idea of how things have been going. I know that this can be a laborious process, so I like checking in with you, whether it be formally or informally. So please reach out if you need anything this week. All the resources should be within the section that's posted for your group. I do apologize. I'm still learning to navigate Canvas, so every now and then the rubric. I learned that you have to click a button in order for it to post the grades, even though I could see them. And there's a couple things. So if there's anything that you're like, this doesn't look quite right, let me know because it might not be. Still working out all the bugs with the new system. So again, have a great week, and I will talk to you all soon.